Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over on Lansdowne Road in the centre of Monton Village. We've got a fabulous 2-bedroom terrace property coming to the market. Benefits from 2 reception rooms, an extended kitchen and dining space. You've got 2 spacious double bedrooms along with a timeless 3-piece bathroom suite plus a study to the first floor. Now we've just come through the entrance hallway which leads us into the second reception room, which is divided by these internal French doors separating your first reception room. Lovely gas fire there, nice eye-catching centrepiece. Obviously you can switch the 2 rooms around to have this side as your formal dining space and vice versa. And then we move on through to the fitted kitchen. So you've got plenty of space for all of your appliances, nice and spacious, lovely and bright. Many do have French doors taking you out onto the rear garden because you've got a fantastic sized garden out the back here. All low maintenance for ease of the upkeep. You've got gated access to the back, and again there's a possibility of adding your French doors to allow for more natural light to flow through the property. Additional storage just tucked beneath the stairs, as you can see as we come out. Gas hob, electric oven, and space for your washing machine and tumble dryer. And for those that prefer a dishwasher instead. So then as we head up to the first floor, a lovely spacious master bedroom which overlooks the front of the property alongside the second double. And we do have a partially boarded loft space which offers additional storage. So this is the master bedroom. Look at all the space there to navigate around. That king size bed and plenty of space for further furnishings. Next bedroom, another spacious double overlooking the rear garden now. As you can see and appreciate the space in here. And then on through to the study. Now many do use this space for very different things. So I have previously seen a separate shower room. I've seen it be used as a utility space. So they brought the washing machine and tumble dryer to the first floor. And equally obviously the office space or a nursery, given that there is a window in place. But lastly, into this fabulous timeless 3-piece bathroom suite, we've got an extra large tub here with the shower above, plenty of further space. Now, as I mentioned, we are over on Lansdowne Road in the heart of Monton Village with this fabulous 2-bedroom terrace property. Surrounded by excellent amenities, really well served in regards to your transport links. So book your viewing, give us a call on 0161 707 4900.